Ada, what is it? Mama, leave me alone. Ada, wait now. What is it? Talk to me now.
It's Obinna.
Obinna, your husband. What happened? Eh?
Why do you have such a heavy load on your head?
My son, I cannot. I live alone. There's no one to help me. I have no helper.
Even at that, this load is too heavy for you to carry. You are old.
I know. I'm not as old as I look.
I understand.
I'm not as weak as I look.
I know. You are strong. No problem. But do not test your strength. Eh? So tell me, where are you going?
Omumba.
That's where we're going to.
Ah.
Yes. Let me help you.
Oh, my son.
Just help me. It's alright. Fine. Mama, let me help you carry it.
I can't carry that load. I have to know from me. Pico.
Princess. No, don't worry. We have more than enough. Let's go. Just lead the way.
Thank you, my son.
It's alright.
If you love if unanya na tuto, can you make love? Love if you love
very kind man, my son. God will reward you. Thank you very much. You don't know, bro.
It's alright, Mama.
Oh, God.
Mama, see, nobody will see you laboring under this heavy load and not going to help you. It's not possible.
You're wrong, my son. I've been doing this for years, and nobody has ever offered to help me but you. You're very kind.
It's alright, it's alright.
Oh, God will reward you.
It's alright, Mama. We've passed the river now, so where is the road to your house?
This way. Follow me.
This way.
God will reward you. Follow me.
Grandmother, we'll be on our way now.
But please, you don't carry something as heavy as this again on your head.
Mama, let's go.
No, my son. You shall stay and have supper with me. Please. Please, be gone one.
Let us go. We have a long journey ahead of us. Because we should be on our way.
No, please, my dear daughter. Will you refuse an old woman, this little offer of a man? And I want to thank you properly for helping me. It's not easy. Stay and rest. You look like people who have been on a long journey already. You see, the pretty one is tired. And you. Please.
Okay,
I'm happy now. Hey. You said you are going on a long journey. Are you going to pass on?
Maybe, or maybe not. Grandmother, the truth is, we are actually running away from the wrath of Nweje. This is Nweje's daughter, Princess Adeze. We are planning to run away so that we can get married and live together. And this is my mom. She's with us.
His daughter, and you think you can get away with it? Listen, let me tell you. Osese is a hard and proud man. He cannot hear a challenge like this. He will pursue you to the end. I know this, I know what he can do. Osese of all people, his daughter. Now you are battling problem. Oh God. But how do we tackle this?
But the thing is, we love ourselves so dearly. And to me, that's all that matters.
And you think if you stay here, you will be safe? The Igwe of Umumba and Osese are the greatest of enemies. The two of them are the greatest of villains. But do you know our law about strangers? The people of Umumba do not take it kindly with strangers, especially if they are men
Hey!
The land is noted for its beautiful women, and if they allow strangers, they will take their women away from them.
I mean, I do not need your women. I am here with my wife. And I don't think they have any woman in this community that is as beautiful as Princess Adizu. Do you have anyone?
No, indeed. It's all the same. Huh?
No. In this case, what are we going to do?
You stay here. You live with me.
But we are good. We don't want to continue bothering you with our problems.
But you first bothered yourselves with my own problems. Now it's my own turn. I strongly believe that one good turn deserves another.
It's okay, Nina, you have heard. But we are going to stay on one condition. That we will be free to leave anytime we want to.
I have no objection about that. You can leave anytime you want. There's no problem about that. Yeah? That's right.
Oh, love,
I have something. But first, you must close your eyes. Don't turn your back. Close your eyes. Trust me. Don't open your eyes.
It's me!
Very nice. What's wrong with you? Come here. Onto a bowl, there is a cord, and onto a man, there is a woman. She obeys him. She listens to him, and she draws him closer. But you see, the both of them are completely useless without each other.
My father betrothed me to a high chief in our kingdom to get his loyalty. His name is Chief Dikeh.
You mean you were betrothed? And you chose to run away with me?
I do not love him. I want to marry for love. I found the man my heart sought out for, and I followed. A musician wandering past the palace, playing a song. He calls, and my heart follows. I leave behind everything for this stranger.
So you mean you love me so much to do all that? My princess, you know, from the very first day I set my eyes on you, you touched my heart. It was like a mighty force greater than the both of us. And right then I told myself that you alone will I always love. I will love you with all honesty. I mean, the gods of the land will bear me witness until we are made man and wife. Princess, you are the flower that I've chosen to wear in this world. Trust me, and I will show you how true that I am.
I have trusted you, and I know it would not be in vain. They say trust quickly and regret heavily. But I say trust at once or never ever.
No, I have faith and I owe everything to you. Let me play you a song.
Love is a look, a smile, a touch that shows how much you care.
And love is a magic that I feel inside of me. The warmth and the happiness I get from your company.
Love is being so sure that you will always be there for me. And my special dream come true.
Ije love, ole ebe m ga-ebido. Gwanu mama mo, ka gwazie papa mo na love akpọrọla m wee labazie ya. Asị m ije love, gwanu m ebe m ga-ebido. Kọrọ papa mo, ka gwazie mama mo na love akpọrọla m wee labazie ya. Love is a beautiful thing, a beautiful thing. Ịhụnanya amaka. It's more than words, it's more than thought. Upon true love. When I'm sleeping, I am dreaming about you. When I'm eating, I'm thinking about you. Love more, love more. Chai. Ije love, ole ebe m ga-ebido. Gwanu mama mo, kagwazie papa mo na love akporola mo we labazia. Asibi je love, ije love, gwanu mebem gebido. Kara papa mo, kagwazie mama mo na love akporola mo we labazia. The price for our love is so big, and the sacrifice is so painful. But because of love, I have one aim, I have one focus. Adezemo ahurum genanya achalugo wanyo alovurum gi otu osoro ya giriyo.
That's not the way to do it.
Ije love.
If you want to pound, you put your two legs together. And you start with big side. Taking it one after the other. Slow pounding. No, pound it gently. Yes, easy. Taking it one after the other. Easy. And you saw me pounding it gently. Take it slowly. Good. Slowly. Don't raise it too high. Slowly. Good. Slowly. Good. Increase your speed. No. When you are turning the pot, easy. Don't. Good. Tasted nice? Good. Now remove the firewood. Remember the secrets of how you put your flavor. You're back early. And your wife is making soup for you.
How are you?
Hey.
You're very fast. It's alright. I'll taste it.
She will serve him.
I'll be here.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Try it. Do what I'm doing. I talked to you yesterday. No, stick to it. Sit and do. Good. Nice one. Nice one. Okay, let me cut some. Those days, the men know how to take care of their wives. Yeah, well, just like Kubina is doing. I barely touch his things. But when I had Kubina, that was when I started working hard. Feet of my son. This is good now.
Welcome.
Welcome now. We will soon finish and prepare your dinner.
Okay.
Greetings, Igwe. I am Chief Chike from Akama Kingdom. The knife that cut the bushes. The High Chief in Akama Kingdom. And the commander of the warriors of Akama Kingdom. Here is Princess Nweje, her apparent to the Akama throne. We bear a message from our great King Ozeze. First, Ozeze greets you.
Chief Chike and the young
Princess Nweje,
we welcome you to our kingdom. Welcome. Sit down.
We come in peace. I am not a man of long speeches, so I will not waste time beating about the bush. Princess Adeze, the daughter of the great King Ozeze, is missing. She was last seen in the company of a young man named Obina, with his mother coming towards Umumba. King Ozeze does not wish to make any trouble with Umumba by ordering his warriors to invade Umumba land in search of the princess. So he orders us to ask for the return of the princess peacefully and unhurt.
My noble chiefs, you had him. Do you know of any strangers in our land, or you have seen any?
This is news to me. It's so strange to my ears.
Chief Chike and the young prince. As you can see, we do not have any knowledge of any such strange in our land. I have seen the princess. I tell you, no woman is fairer than she is. Very beautiful. She is not in this kingdom. If she's here, we will know. Yes, we will know. I am the king of this kingdom. This land is mine. Because the rain will never fall without the earth. No. So I'm not sure.
Igwe, the objective of this mission is to see the princess, my sister, back to Akama Kingdom safe. We are sure that these people are in this place, somewhere in your kingdom.
You doubt my integrity and honesty.
Igwe, the consequences of holding the daughter of Ozeze, the lion of Akamalan, is grave. An army of our warriors are waiting on our own side of the Ajali River. We shall attack Omumba if we know where they are being kept here.
Ah, you came in peace, and yet you have your army lying in waiting for a battle. Look, we are not afraid of your king or your kingdom, for we have better warriors who are battle ready, well equipped to do battle.
Yes.
Now let me warn you. The next time you threaten my kingdom, I will unleash my anger upon you. Don't tell your king that his princess is not in my kingdom. And I warn you for the last time. If you encroach into my kingdom the next time, the consequences you will not be able to bear.
Very well then. We have delivered our message, and we shall be on our way.
Igwe, my king, let us be hasty in our decision. Perhaps these people are in this land.
What is solemn message? Go. Get men to search every nook and cranny of this village. Find the princess and bring her to me immediately. Go now.
Shall be done, Igwe.
I want to resort.
Let's go.
So it said, there's my king. Oh, so is it, there's me.
I pity you. I pity you, Igwanwa. I pity you because of Ozeze. The man that killed someone the day he wants to enjoy his life. Ozeze will not spare you and your kingdom. And I shall lead attack. I am going to fetch firewood and then check on my traps. I'll be back.
I want to go with you.
No, but you are still plating Mama's hair.
She has finished. Okobasibo? Yes, ma'am. Cut the thread and join me.
See? I'm done. Mama, see you later.
Just want to follow me. What is it? He has been hurt. What happened? I was waiting for him to urinate. Suddenly, I find him screaming. And when I rushed, I found him writing in pens on the ground. And up till now, he has not said what happened to him.
My prince. My prince.
This is strange.
He seems to be in great pain. If this gets worse, his father will be furious at us. He will be very mad. Bring him up. Let me take him to his father.
You are the gods, you see. What could we have done without you?
My daughter, man is gods to man. But your people's happiness are my major concern.
Ned, you know, this whole thing reminded me of the olden days when my grandmother was alive. I am the happiest woman.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Oh no! Those are the strangers. Otutu, catch them.
I want to stay with you.
You go alone, that's the only way you can be safe. Go!
I will be safe with you.
What are you doing here? Can I have the weapon? Give me the weapon! Move! 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 I met you here over there, and a man over here back of Ryan Mukosha. Move!
Your Highness, Igwana denies that the princess is not in his land. He said he's not afraid of your warriors. And he warned us not to enter his territory again.
Chike,
Your Highness.
tell me, is my daughter in Umumba?
As true as the sun shines, Your Highness, the princess is there.
A man who eats egg does not know that he has eaten a full chicken. Some people does not know the gravity of what they do. He will know her has my daughter and holds on to her. He speaks rashly to me without courage, but with pride. I live by code that the height and strength of Ozo Eze can never be used unjustly. Igwe Onoha dared me and insulted me. Chike,
Your Highness.
you will go back and tell Igwe Onoha to release my daughter safely to me. If not, the next time the tiger will roar, it will tear into pieces its tormentor. Into pieces, I said.
These are the strangers, Your Highness. Who are you?
I said, who are you and where are you from? My friend, who is sheltering you in my kingdom?
Have you no words in your mouth?
Okay. The young lady, no doubt, is a princess. But for the young man, it's of no consequence. My noble chiefs, what do we do?
Igwe, my king, if truly this is the princess and Ozeze's daughter, I think we better send them back to where they come from. They are all invited here.
Yes, Your Highness. We will send them back. But Ozeze has to pay us a ransom for their trespassing into our territory. That is to teach them a lesson.
Very well then. We will release them to their people when they pay the ransom. And that will be all for now.
Explain this. Chicken, give me a good explanation of what happened to my son. Am I not talking to you?
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I don't know. Nobody knows. He went to urinate and they brought him back like this. I swear with my life.
I sent you to go and bring back my missing daughter, not to render my son useless and helpless. Look at his condition now. And send for all the medicine men, all the witch doctors in this land to come and heal my son. Go! Go!
At once. Your Majesty.
What did I hear? Look at my son in a terrible situation. My son is now hovering between life and death. This wouldn't have happened if that boy did not run away with my daughter. You see it? Look at him. What is Iguano saying about my daughter?
Your Majesty, they have found her. But they are demanding for ransom.
Do you hear him? Do you hear him? Ransom for what? I said ransom for what? Iguanoha is like a sick dog. He mocks and insults me. He wants to die like a sick dog who does not perceive the smell of any object before he dies. Oh, Iguanoha cannot save food from poison. Iguanoha cannot save friends from foes. Iguanoha, you did this to me. Oh, Iguanoha has 3 days, only 3 days to release my daughter. If not, I will declare war against you, against your kingdom, against your community. I will wipe you. I will destroy you. I will wipe you off the surface of the earth. You never know who King Ozeze is. This time, he will get to know. He will get to know you off the surface of the earth. A little child who puts his hand into a burning fire will never ever in his life enjoy the experience. As for that randy boy who ran away with my daughter, I will squeeze life out of him little by little, if I lay my hands on him. Yes, that I will do. Look at it.
Fetch Kenneth Ude and Ungo. Tell them to see me now, this night.
Yes, you will.
Damn me. Also, is a you damn me.
Father, I know you are not in a good mood, but there is something I want to talk to you about.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Father, it's about the princess, Princess Adeze.
Yes, yes, we will send her back to her people as soon as King Ozoze pays the ransom.
Father, you won't do that. Father, I love her. From the very first day I set my eyes on her, I fell in love with her. Her beauty enchanted me.
Obidi!
I want to be with her, Father.
A maiden you barely know.
Father, it doesn't matter.
Wait a minute! This maiden is betrothed to another, a high chief in her kingdom.
Father, she's here. You can make her mine.
This will bring war between the two kingdoms, so it is not possible.
Father, I'm ready to go to war for her. I'm ready to die for her.
Enough of that, Obidi. Yes, she is a maiden of extraordinary beauty. But here in our kingdom, we have beautiful maidens. You can choose anyone, or as many as you want. You are a prince in this kingdom. This other choice will bring war. People's lives will be taken, will be destroyed. This kingdom, your kingdom, will be destroyed. Can't you see?
Father, we are a powerful kingdom. You are a great king with an army of great warriors. We have fought many wars and we've never been defeated once. This cannot be an exception, Father.
Son, not on the account of a woman. Besides, the noble chiefs of this kingdom might not agree to this, and you cannot easily overrule their opinion in this matter.
They will understand that Ozoze has always wanted to fight war against this kingdom. Father, look at them. If I marry her, it will bring peace between the both kingdoms. And old feuds will be forgotten. Ozoze is a reasonable man. He will understand. Father, if you grant this request for me, I will live to be a happy man all my life. Please.
It's okay. Just stand up. Stand up. I'll see what I can do.
Every day he grows worse.
Your Majesty, some of these men are false medicine men. They've not been able to do anything positive for the prince. If you ask me, I would say that some of them are here just to share in the rich gifts you provide.
I don't want to hear anything against them. Maybe they are the ones keeping him alive. I will do anything to save my son's life. And to anyone that will cure him.
Papa mo, kogwazie mama mo, na love akorola mo we lavazia. Love is a beautiful thing, a beautiful thing. Ihonanya maka.
Get up. Come with me.
It's more than
Come on, I won't hurt you. Don't touch her.
Don't touch her. Hey, don't touch her.
You come in close, I'll cut you to pieces.
Oh, what can I call me? I go Igwe. Prince, are you okay?
I was afraid. I thought you had been killed.
I told you they will come back safely. I told you.
You said it. It's just been said.
We heard the someone and they were wondering who got it.
Yeah, sit down.
Thank you, my king.
An ultimatum just came in from Akama saying we should choose between war and the return of the princess and the man with her. So, I called you to seek your opinion on this matter.
Igwe, there's no doubt that the Akama people have poured contempt on us. But I'm comforted by the fact that they are like women. It is their tongue that is their weapon. We have men of courage and strength. We have great warriors. But Igwe, when I look at this very closely, I see that we are starting war by keeping this princess. I am a man of peace, not war. I don't want my hands stained with blood. I say we swallow our pride and let this maiden and this young man go. Igwe, that is the way I see it.
There is a new development. My son, your prince, has fallen in love with the princess and wishes to marry her. I have to seek for your opinion before I take my decision.
My king, I hope you know the gravity of your decision.
If King Ozueze wants war, I give him war. We are not afraid of him.
Igwe, do we want war? In our kingdom, we do not go to war because of a woman. I have seen 2 wars in my lifetime. The first was when the white man came and carried away our brothers and sisters for slavery. And the revenge on the Dikeh people who invaded our farmland in Ohiago. We won this war because our gods and ancestors were with us. But in this one, Igwe, I don't think we are justified in it. If we fight, what are we fighting for? This is a maiden stolen from their land and hidden in our kingdom. And the father requested that we send his daughter back to him. If we keep this girl, we are cutting for trouble. And if we fight, our gods may not be happy with us.
You speak of Akaman people as if you admire them. Who are they? Remember all the atrocities Akama committed against us. But we always let the sleeping dog lie. Last year, they polluted our side of Ajari River. And we did nothing about it. And we are still struggling over the village of Idijo. Now they are come again. But I said, this time we will take whatever we want and defend it behind us.
Well, any one of you that has fallen in love knows that love is everything. We want happiness for our prince because his happiness will reflect on our kingdom. Happy king, happy people. Now let's look at it this way. We have peace with our neighbors today after series of warfare and strife. We now have the same mind. Let me ask you this question. Do we have peace and this understanding with Akama Kingdom today? No. But I believe we can achieve it if the prince of this kingdom takes the princess of Akama Kingdom for a wife. Think about it. Using one stone to kill two birds. Igwe, what? You go home, go to your homes and think about this. Ponder over what I have just said. Then we will discuss it later.
Well, Igwe, we've heard you. It's here. Let's go.
Mama, please come. What is it? Mama, we are not going to Akamba. Yes, but we're leaving Mama tonight. Yes, the king's guards are searching for us everywhere. Mama, listen, there is no time. Just go inside, pack a few things. We are leaving immediately.
No, you cannot run forever. And it's not the will of the gods too. Anyone who sees two of you together can only say that the gods have made you people for each other. And it will be an abomination to separate you. Tonight you stop running.
Mama, you don't understand. Whoever catches us first will kill us. Either the Akama or Umumba will kill us. Please.
We'll go back to Akama. The prince is dying.
Huh?
Princess
Zenna.
My
brother is dying.
He's dying.
Why?
He was struck down by the spirit of Ajali River.
Hey!
And was taken home where he died.
My honorable and handsome brother. Kind and generous prince. I love him so much.
It's okay, don't cry. But grandmother, how did you do all this?
I serve Ajali. I am the priestess of Ajali River. can save his life.
Me? But I don't understand. I am not a medicine man.
Just do as I tell you. All things will be well.
No, you don't get it. If you care about me so much, you won't tell me to do this.
A child's finger cannot be burnt by a piece of hot yam, which its mother puts into his path.
Igwe, I said it, that for us to go to war with the Akama kingdom, we need to re-examine the cause of the war. The gods have shown us example with a little encounter with the princess. We should examine our...
Hey, will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth. May thunder strike those who coward minds. This princess and her sacrilege friend has dared us, and you are here talking trash.
Hi! Igwonoha, I hope we are not folding our hands. If you don't do something to these people, hey, more damage. I mean, more damages may surely come to us again. I'm afraid we should check on these people at Aquarius house. The priestess of Ajali River. Yes, Your Highness.
God! Gas! Go this night with your men. Search everywhere in this village for the princess and her male friend. Tell Akwali, if they are with her, she should release them to me now.
Yes, Your Highness.
Sends the child to go and catch his food. He also gives him water to wash his hands. Listen very carefully to me. This bread contains water from the heart of Ajali River. And when you sprinkle it on the prince's body, you will be cured immediately.
If that's the case, why don't you send someone else? Eh? Someone else can do this. The prince will still be killed.
You are destined to do that job. This staff will direct you. Make sure you never lose it. It will guide you from a moment. Go now. Shall be well with you. Go now before it's late.
I want to go with you.
No.
Mama, I want her to come with me.
Well then, go with her. May our gods protect you. Prophet is in your hands.
Mama, if everything goes well, I'll come back and take you. Grandmother, thank you. We'll go in peace and come back in peace.
Go well, my son. Go well. And may the gods be with both of you.
The price for our love is so big, and the sacrifice.
Chase it! Get them! Get them! Get them!
life. We cannot get away from Prince Obidi.
Leave her alone! Come here! Move! Move! Move!
I'll take care of you.
Move! Don't touch her! Move! Move!
My princess. I won't hurt you, my princess. Please, don't be afraid of me. Look at me. I love you. And I will lay down my life for you. My princess, I go to war for you. And with the spirit of love of a woman like you, I will defeat my enemies and live to love you. Listen, my princess. This is my war of love. And when I defeat my enemies and rise to the throne of Umba, believe me, I will make you the queen of Umba Kingdom. Think over this as I go and fight this war. Make sure nothing happens to my princess. If by any means there is a scratch on her skin, I will have your eye, your nose, your ear, and your mouth made for supper. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
You remember me? I know you too. And we meet again.
What's inside?
A stick. Bash.
This stuff is directed. Make sure you never lose it. It will guard you for moments.
My lord, I'm at your service.
What?
My lord, I'm at your service.
Pick up my bag and my water guard.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the princess? Take me to her at once.
This way, my lord.
You lead the way.
Yes, my lord.
Put down your machete. Put it down. Princess.
It's the staff. It has magical powers. But we have to leave here now. You. Don't want you to follow us.
Yes, my lord. Yes,
Do you understand?
Yes, my lord.
Wanu mama mo, kagwazie papa mo na love akorola mo we la bazia. Asibi ije love, wanu mebem gebido. Kara papa mo, kagwazie mama mo na love akorola mo we la bazia. Love is a beautiful thing, a beautiful thing. Ihunanya maka. It's more than words, it's more than thought. Upon true love. When I'm sleeping, I am dreaming about you. When I'm eating, I'm thinking about you. Love more, love more. Ije love, ole ebem gebido. Wanu mama mo, kagwazie papa mo na love akorola mo we la bazia. Asimi ije love, wanu mebem gebido. Kara papa mo, kagwazie mama mo na love akorola mo we la bazia. The price for our love is so big, and the sacrifice is so painful. But because of love,
Which of you leads the army? Take me to King Osei at once. He said, take me to the king. Take me to...
I have a long score to settle with you, and a punch in the stomach. And I warn you not to make it worse by your tongue, or I will shorten it with my knife.
Stop it! Stop!
Enough!
Stop it! I'm the princess!
The king needs him alive. We have to go home and tell others that the battle is over. The warriors of Umumba are so scared of their life that they have to give up the princess and the young man. So we have no need to fight again. We go home. Victory!
Victory!
Your father wants to see you. You have offended him enough.
What is that? It seems that something is happening outside.
Remember this. It's Dikeh. They are back to the princess.
Really?
Yes.
Your Highness, I brought her back safely.
What about the man with her?
I brought him too, alive.
Father, he can cure the prince.
No more word from you. Take her to her room. I will deal with her matter later. Then you bring me the young man. Bring the young man to me.
Move. Your Highness.
Shut up! You brought so much pains and sorrows to me and my kingdom. I will show you the wrath of a king like Ozunze. I promise you this. Agamabago Soji.
Please, Your Majesty, I am really sorry. I am here now to make amends. You see, I have all the powers to cure the prince.
Hey, quiet. Take him away. Move! Lock him up. Move. Tomorrow, move. You'll be put to death.
Move. Move.
Shut up.
Move.
You will begin the journey to your death.
Your Majesty, the Umumba returned the princess and the young man without a fight.
How?
They were put on a canoe and sent across the river.
Strange. Strange has Umumba refused to go to war. Maybe they want peace this time. And if they want peace, that is good. Because no one loves war and bloodshed.
Yes. It's true, Your Highness. Your Highness.
I'm happy that my daughter is back.
Are you mad? Give that food. When I have done eating and you want to eat. No.
Let me see the king. I can cure the prince, please. I can cure the prince of his illness, please. Give me access to the king.
Hey! What is this noise about?
I want to see the king. I can cure the prince, please. Just allow me to see the king.
Another medicine man. I can't tell him no such thing. Everyone now claims I'm supposed to be a medicine man. You are all frauds.
I'm not a fraud. I can heal the prince of his illness. Just grant me access to the king. That's all I ask for, please.
Hey! What do you know about chaos? Even the oldest and best men in this community have tried and failed. You are just wasting your time.
What is this noise all about? You know Your Highness is in a bad mood.
It is the prisoner. He's here claiming that he can cure the prince.
You're only a servant here, and it's your job to obey orders. Ozaze wants to see anyone who can cure his son, the prince, and it is your duty to allow him to see him. You cannot decide who should or shouldn't see the king. Hey, you. What can you do?
Just grant me access to see the king. Tell Uzuizi that I have the power to heal the son of this illness. That's all I ask of you.
You go tell the king.
I am sorry for the pains and everything I have done. But it's not my fault. I am only following my destiny. It is that same destiny that has given me the power to cure your son. Please, Your Majesty, give me this chance. The prince shall not die.
Please. Your Majesty, do not listen to this cunning man. He is only pretending to be able to save the prince. He thinks that by attempting to save him, you will have pity on him and forgive him for all his terrible crimes.
Let us see what he can.
Your Majesty, I insist you do not waste your time with this crafty man. He wants to deceive you. How could he succeed where all the medicine men and witch doctors in this land have failed?
It is only because they failed that I must take every chance.
I hope, Your Majesty, that you have not forgotten that this man committed an unforgivable crime, that you have sentenced him to death.
I have not forgotten, Chike. Let us see what he can do. What do you think, Ono? I am speaking to you, or have you gone deaf and dumb?
Majesty, you asked me not to talk. I don't want to lose my tongue.
Better. Obinna,
Majesty,
you will go and cure the prince. If you fail, you will die. But if you succeed, you will regain your freedom again. And whatever you ask of shall be given to you.
Your Majesty!
Peace and sit down.
if it pleases Your Majesty, I will cure the prince tomorrow.
Why tomorrow? Obinna, remember what I said yesterday? That if you succeed in healing my son, you shall be free again. But where you fail, you will die. Yeah. Go and bring the prince.
Mother.
My prince.
Father. You are here. My prince. Father. You are... Mother, you are well again. You are well again. Oh, my son. You are well again. Mother.
My prince.
Princess.
Your Majesty, I hope you have not forgotten that Obinna committed serious crimes against you and the kingdom and should be taken back to cell to wait for his death.
Chike, I advise you be careful of what you say. If not, I punish you. I, King Ozese of this kingdom, has the right to take any man's life or to grant it. Obinna here has given life back to my son. For that reason, he is free. Obinna, ask for whatever you need. Today, it shall be granted. Here and now.
Your Majesty, I ask that you allow me to marry your daughter, Princess Adizi. We love ourselves so dearly. She's my laughing water. That is my request, Your Majesty.
My princess, Adese, let your heart speak.
I will marry my love. If it pleases the king.
No, Your Majesty. I said no. The princess is mine.
I warn you again to be careful of what you say. If not, I'll punish you.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Better never to have had than to have had and lost. Nobody takes the princess away from me. No one! Not even you, Your Majesty!
Foolish man. Chike, you are a foolish man. It is only a foolish man that can disobey the command of a king like King Ozese. Gas!
Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Take him away. Take him away. Obinna, the son of Egwu of Akama Kingdom, you have done me well. You have made me happy by bringing my son back to life. I am happy for you. Obinna, I will make you the High Chief of Akama Kingdom in place of late Chike. Obi, Your Majesty, come. Come. Give me your hand. My daughter. The most beautiful daughter of Akama Kingdom. Princess Adaeze. Come. Give me your hand. Obinna, today I give my daughter's hand in marriage to you as your wife.
Your Majesty. Princess.
Kudochia no. Kudochia.
The last time the girl died in this fight, she was poisoned. And the food was actually meant for me.
Yes, I was aware. And the guy told me that it was Otutu that gave him the poisoned food. The fury of a dying man. Dikeh was not wise. A wise man dances to the tune of the king. And I tell you, surely the tone of the king is the best.
She wants to get married. I asked your permission.
My princess, do whatever that pleases you.
I will let her marry. She's found someone to love.
Also, Your Highness, with your permission, I ask that you invite our people to celebrate with us and bring my mother home.
You are my eyes and my ears in this Akama kingdom. Your wish is granted.
Ifechukwu kwadoro onye ga-ekewapụ ya. Ifechukwu tere ọ bụ onye ga-efichapụ ya. Kisi ekwu okwu ọtọmụgo mee. Kisi akwa.
Yeah, of course. I was just dancing and I was playing for her. Yes, no.
Thank you, Mama.
So nice.
You're
Thanks to the gods of our kingdom. My joy, my pride, that's what I'm saying today.
Well, you ain't see nothing.
love sizi egwumewu. Ifunanya na-egbu ka mmanya. Love mo. Joy. Ife dị asọgbu mo. Ifunanya na-atọ ụtọ. Ka anyị mebe love mo. Love mo. Ife love na-emenụ mo. Love mo. Ife love na-emenụ mo. Ife Chukwu kwadoro onye ga-ekewapụ ya. Ife Chukwu tere ọ bụ onye ga-efichapụ ya. Ka isi ekwu okwu ọtọgbụgo m. Ka isi amụ amụ ọtọgbụgo m. Ka anyị mebenụ love. Ife love na-eme. Ifunanya na-atọ ụtọ. Ka anyị mebe love. Love mo. Ife love na-emenụ mo. Love mo. Ife love na-emenụ mo. Love mo. Ife love na-emenụ.